With the unprecedented growth of web apps and mobile apps, in addition to how much personal information is now stored and used in our computer applications, security in our applications must be taken seriously, as consumers are now confronted with potential losses all over, and they demand that those security and personal information be properly taken care of. If you don't believe that security is a major issue in software, do a quick search for security breach in the current year and watch as your search results returns tens of thousands of articles or more. Software security is an aspect of the software quality assurance. Security concerns must be considered at the beginning of the software process, built into the software design, implemented as part of coding, and verified during testing and deployment. During the design phase, it is important to see what types of data you'll be storing and transmitting, and how sensitive that data is. The value of the loss of an asset is known as exposure. Losses might be measured in time or cost to recover or recreate an asset. Assets with insignificant value do not need to be really secured. However, there is often a lot of data that is important, not only for our organization, but for our users as well. With computers and mobile devices being so popular, you don't want a weakness in your code which allows someone to access sensitive data somewhere else. Just take a second to think of the potentially sensitive data you have in your devices. This could include things like bank records, IRS tax forms, your social security number and other information, passwords for both personal use as well as work, on and on and on. Could someone take your mobile device or your laptop and start to impersonate you? The odds are probably. Now, anticipating conditions or threats that may be used to damage system resources or render them inaccessible to authorized users is called threat analysis. To be done before your system is finished, even the design stage, not after it's finished being written and is ready to go out to your customers. At that point, it's often too difficult to fix.